Hi everyone, I'm Paul Holder from Infinity Learning. The next course I will be running is a course called Situational Leadership 2. This course is considered amongst one of the best courses for situational leadership theory. This course is a day in duration, and I'm planning to run this course in October on the 2nd and 3rd of October at the GFSB House 122 Irish Town. Now, this course is a leadership course, and the premise, the concept of the course is if leaders are to be partners with the people they work with, then they're going to need skills that will enable them to, one, find out what individual needs in order to accomplish their personal and organizational goals. Two, to use a variety of leadership styles to meet those needs. And three, to set up a communication process for reaching agreements about what the leader and the individual can expect from each other as they work together. These three skills, diagnosis, flexibility, and partnering for performance, are the focus, the backbone of this course. Who should attend this course? Well, small business owners, directors, managers, supervisors, team leaders, or anyone looking to become a manager. If you have direct contact with people that they report to you, or you tell them or ask them what they should be doing, this course is for you. By attending this course, what are you going to learn from this course? Well, I consider managers, small business owners, directors, whatever you want to call yourself, I consider you to be leaders. So leaders will become more flexible and adaptable, which is needed in managing a diverse workforce of age, sex, style, preferences, and cultural background. However, flexibility is also needed in managing a constant change in your companies. You're going to be more comfortable in using a variety of leadership styles, more thoughtful about when to use those styles and which styles to use to achieve the best results. I'm going to make you more skillful in giving work direction, praising, encouraging self-reliant problem solving, delegating, goal setting, observing, monitoring performance, and giving feedback. The course duration is 1 day, so we're going to be starting at 9 o'clock sharp and finishing at 5 o'clock. The cost, I have agreed a cost with the Federation that for the Federation members, I will be charging you £107.50, which is normally half of my fee that I charge for running these types of courses. There will be a booking form which will accompany this videotorial, and if you are interested, and I hope you are, please send me your details via the booking form so I can work out how many people will be coming. There is pre-course work for this particular course. I will be sending you a leader behavioral analysis questionnaire. So we'll need to determine what is your primary, secondary, third, and fourth leadership styles. So we need to break that down beforehand before we can actually move forward. So for those of you who are interested in attending the course, I will be sending you out this leader behavioral analysis questionnaire. If you have any questions, queries, or concerns, please do not contact Jenny. She will be inundated with questions about this course. Please contact me directly. All of my contact details will be in the email accompanying this for this editorial, and also methods of payment. Thank you very much, and goodbye.